Watch me create a personalized Spotify photo frame with lights. I used my cutting machine to cut and transfer the permanent vinyl. Time to measure. Cut. And glue the border down. LED fairy lights for the inside. Let's cover this up with some bling. Place the border inside the frame and follow for part 2. Here's part 2. Time to add the bling. Cluster gems. And diamond rhinestone wrap. Wow! Watch how it sparkles. Now on to the best part. Scan the Spotify code. And listen to your favorite songs. Hang it on your wall. We create all custom and handmade bling home decor. Glam up your favorite space at WeSlayGlam.com.